All right, I ordered another custom coin mold. This is from a different guy. It's not the same one that made my owl coin mold. This is someone else I found who was less money. That one, the guy was actually from Canada. This guy's based in the US. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing or an unpackaging video here of this coin mold with Charizard on it. My son's at that age that he likes that stuff, so I can make that for him and see how it does on eBay too. So I'll go ahead and get this opened up. Okay. Really got it wrapped in here, man. So there, we've got the coin mold wrapped up nice. And throw that back there. Okay, so looks like here's the design. I'll try to get a better angle. So there it is. That's the Charizard coin. It was one-sided. He has a two-sided coin option. There's the guy. So there's his plug. I mean, it looks like good detail. I'm going to do some test pours with aluminum to see how it turns out. I thought it would be, two-piece, but the backside would just be smooth, no design on it. But it looks like it's one that you just pour from the top. And then there's no mold giving you a real flat surface on the backside. So it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. You gotta try and control it so it doesn't spill over the edges, otherwise you gotta trim it and stuff. But anyway, I mean, that side of it does look good. I'll get the furnace fired up with some aluminum and run a test pour, see how this turns out. there's the pores. I think that was the first one in the middle, and then the second one, and then the third one. So the details got a little bit better as I went. Probably mold wasn't hot enough, things like that. It still didn't pick up all the details. So it could be the metal, me not heating it up right. This was just kind of a test run to see how it would look, pouring that in there. So I'll have to do a little bit better warming it up. To make it more like a coin mold, I might cut a little funnel shape there and then a vent down the side, and then I could clamp it to the back of something like this, you know, smooth, and maybe that'd give me a better, you know, actual coin shape with it. So I have to experiment with that too. So it might be a good mold to use. I'll just have to nail it down, you know, the pouring and everything, get it a little better. But yeah, we'll see what I can do with it.